Red roses for love, and for those who just love rose-tip cigarettes. And there seem to be many people who do, both in Britain and abroad. For at this East London factory, more than 200 carefully selected roses are used each day. Grown in historic Canterbury, they're a special variety that keep their colour for at least a year. Now that's quite a bouquet, and the fragrant scent blends with the aroma of the tobacco, usually Turkish. Interrupted by the war, this 40-year-old British export industry is now being resumed after a 10-year break. So roses from Kent, the garden of England, enable cigarette connoisseurs in such widely different places as Switzerland and Hong Kong to smoke with added relish. A special hand cutter ensures uniformity of size and quality. The tips gradually change from rose red to purple, so the cigarettes are first stored for a few days, then matched for shade before being packed. That paste is agreeable to the taste. Note how a thin margin of the gold tip is left for effect. At one time, violets were used, but roses have proved more economical. A fair-sized rose provides tips for a dozen cigarettes. They're packed 25 to a box, a crimson plush-covered box. From start to finish, the work's all done by hand. And they're a blend of cigarettes that also blend with the flowers at home.